the 84th batch of yoga. Yoga that we invest our time according to the value we see in that one. If you see a value, we dedicate our time, we invest our money, and if we think it is important. One person was saying that he is so committed for his business, he has no time for yoga because he sees business is more important. The end of the day, everyone realizes health is the gift, health is the wealth, and the investing on that one, investing on yoga, sooner or later everyone realizes it's not an option but a must. Yoga means balance, yoga means health, yoga means inner tranquility, yoga means dawning of higher possibilities in our life. And the yoga is not a modern day invention. For example, gym, it is a modern day invention. Zumba, modern day invention. Whereas yoga, it is a time immemorial. Whenever there is an imbalance, the imbalance is set right through the counter effect to bring the balance. Balance is yoga. For example, now we are having a hot days here. It will be countered by rain. Whenever the prakriti sets the balance, when if people are adharmic, it pollutes our mind so that we start hating each other, killing each other. It is a way of bringing the balance in the system. We are all humans, but why we are throwing bomb at each other? Because it's a way how prakriti also works. It enters into our mind, pollutes our mind. I start seeing everyone an enemy. And Bhagavan Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, he talks about Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavan Aham Avyayam Vivaswan Manave Praha Manurikshva Kave Brabet. He talks about this one, this yoga is so ancient. Even the sun, able to, I instructed divine in the sun, from the sun, Ikshvaku, Manu, and Parampara. This yoga Parampara.